Introducing the all-new XZ5 Enduro series from Cub Cadet, the ultimate cutting-edge yard sculpting machine. Built on a fully welded square tubular steel frame and powered by the strongest V-twin dual-cylinder engines, the dual hydrostatic drive system provides you with optimal speed and maneuverability, while the large rear tires give you more traction and stability even in sloping terrain. Choose your ideal mowing deck size to get any job done in next to no time. These ultimate mowing machines are designed to deliver the best-in-class cut quality with the speed and precision you expect from a true zero-turn champion. Cub Cadet. Built to last. Built to love.